Okay, so it looks like we've got a set of amp cell irons at 1/4 inch shorter. This is Cam, head of custom build, gluing some clubs. We're just going to go through the process of how we go about building a set. This is Paul. Paul's our main builder here. So what we do with our cut machine here is we tip cut and butt cut up front. So Paul, do you want to just build this set? We've got 1/4 inch shorter, 1/4 inch shorter 3 papers. So just go ahead and show how we would tip cut them up front.
Do they need to know the tipping instructions?
No, they've got the tipping instructions, so it's all good. So we mark the first one.
First one is 1/2 inch 4 iron, half off the 4 iron.
Yep. So it's just a 1/2 inch tip cut jig. So we mark the first club to length, secure it, and then put the jig in. And because we know everything's 1/2 inch tip, secured, so everything will be tip cut at once. From there, we've got a different jig that we use. Now, this is our butt cutting jig, so I've taken into account the length of the golf clubs. We know that okay, so stands at 42, we're going 1/4 of an inch under, so we just preset that to 1/4 of an inch, and now we can butt cut it. So now we've tip cut and butt cut. Next step to turn down, and then we'll do the ferrules. What we've done is we've used our tip charts. Paul has written the head weights on the face of the golf clubs. We've chosen the appropriate tip weights along the way, so we're just going to start doing a quick test to see how it comes out on the swing weight scale. So with this digital one we got from Golf Mechanics, which is a lot cheaper than the $2,000 one that I bought from Sanyo. So D2.6 for the first one. D3.1. D2.8. D2.8. D2.7. D2.8. So you can see with our tip charts that it's pretty close to actual. And D4.1. So it's certainly within our tolerances. The other thing that we do take into account when we build is the fact that we do get a swing weight difference when we use different grips. So with the red tape, which is 3 papers, it affects the swing weight by 1.5 points. So we add 3 grams as to 2 grams with the blue double tape, and then 1 gram per every paper. So that's how we go through our line from tip cutting, butt cutting, turning down. We actually use this jig here with different depth blocks for the ferrules, so we can smash the ferrules on, and then we swing weight. So that is us from start to finish. Thanks, Paul.